about to show y'all a picture of my brother snoring. It's crazy. Look at the slop on his lips. He's gonna go crazy while I show him this.